Hey friends, so today we're going to do something a little different. I thought I would take you along with me as I go thrifting for my home decor inspiration. I've showed you some videos lately of things that I have been loving, that I've seen on Pinterest, that I've put in video form, so you guys can get some inspiration as well. Well, today we are going out thrifting for that inspiration. So I'm going to take you along with me. If you want to see what we find, then keep watching. Ooh, it is cold and rainy out today, and the place that we're going to go visit is about 30 minutes away from me. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're at one of my favorite places to thrift for inexpensive home decor. It's kind of hit or miss, but sometimes you can find some really good things. So I'm hoping that is what happens today. Keep your fingers crossed, and let me grab my new mask and let's go in and see what we can find. So this is interesting. It's a coffee carafe, and they want $74, and that would be a negative, but it is very interesting in an old-time coffee percolator, but not what we are looking for. So this is an interesting vase for $6.99, but we're gonna keep looking. Alright, so this is an interesting picture. It's $9. It's got like a little etched motif. I like it, but I don't really like the motif, so we'll just keep looking. These are pretty. Looks like there are $9 for the pair. Cute. I like green, but not what I am looking for at the moment. Alright guys, so we've been in here for about 5 minutes, and as I said, sometimes it can be hit or miss when you're out thrifting. So far, we have not found what I am looking for, but we are going to keep hunting. This place is really big, so hopefully we find something soon. Okay, so here is an interesting tray. It's $10. It's a banana leaf tray. Quite big. Very interesting. No one else would actually have this in their home, so I'm gonna think about this one. What do you think about this bowl? It's unique in design. Leave me a comment down below. Here's an interesting piece. Looks like something you would find on Restoration Hardware. Again, it's not the color, but think outside the box. We can always paint this, and it is $20. Really nice. Has some weight to it. I actually like this. You might get this, but I'm gonna keep looking. Alright, so I found this really neat marble stand over here. It's black and gray. Perfect. It's $39. And if I had a bust to sit on it, I would certainly get it, but that is not in my style. But it's not something I thought I would find here, so that is an interesting find. Alright, so look at this basket. Something you would see in stores right now. I like the texture and the detail. Does not go with my aesthetic though. It is only $19.91, which is a good value. if I were more bohemian in style, this would certainly be perfect. So I found this set of trays, silver trays, and it is $10 for the 3 of them, which is a great buy. Alright, so I found these 2 large vases. Again, think outside the box. Not the color we need, however, with a little paint, they could be perfect, and they mirror the inspiration pieces that I showed in one of my inspiration videos, and these are only $30 for the pair. This is a cute little sake set. So pretty. Although I do not drink sake, but it's $6.95. Like it, very pretty. This is a really cool fiber optics lamp. I'm sure it's probably vintage. They had it on sale for $125. Now they are offering it for $80, our best offer. Really nice lamp, but I think still way overpriced. Here are some vases that are restoration hardware-esque. Looks like they have done a DIY on this, and this is $12.99. And same with that one. Not bad dupes for restoration hardware inspired pieces. So here are the urn bookends that I saw the last time I was here. They were still here. They're $15 a pair. Should I get them? I don't know. You'll have to wait till the end of the video to see if I actually pick these up. Okay, I found this really cute decanter set, and it is $16.91. Very pretty design. I love that. Quite heavy. And there are these 2 glasses. I don't think they match it, but they could pair well together. Very nice, but not what we're looking for. This is a cute table. It's $24.48. Very nice.
Yeah, this booth over here has a bunch of toys.
It's a very nice lamp. Totally my style. But I really don't want to pay $64 for it, even though it's really nice. Now these are interesting. Cloche with a concrete base. I think these are very modern. They're $55 each. Love those. And look guys, they have some paper mache bowls. And it says they are $30 each. They have this really big one over here. large. I like this table too. So this looks like it's like a Restoration Hardware inspired type table. Very interesting. This is a really pretty vase. $68. Love it. And they have this wood pedestal over here that's been hand carved to look like a Grecian or French column. And it's $78. And they have these rattan covers. Looks like you would flip over food that they are displaying, like they could be used for lampshades. So this was a neat little booth. Love this section. All right, guys, so we're back home from our thrifting adventure, and unfortunately, we did not find what we were looking for today. I did manage to see quite a few pieces that were very appealing to me. However, I'm trying to be more intentional with the things that I am bringing into my home for the new year. So I only picked up one thing, and it is this vase. I absolutely love it. It is very large. It's gray in color, white on the inside. As you can see, it only cost us $11.61. Yes, it does need to be cleaned, but we can always sanitize. Looks like this was originally $19.99. I'm not sure what store it's from, but I thought it would fit perfectly in my aesthetic, and I'm sure it will make a very beautiful centerpiece. So that is the only thing we picked up today, even though we saw some really good pieces. Again, I want to be very intentional with the items that I bring into my home. I don't want to bring in a lot of clutter. So we are still on the hunt. Did you like today's video? I incorporated a little different style where I took you along with me as I shopped for things that I want to bring into my home. Let me know how you like today's format. Did you like coming along with me thrifting and seeing the pieces that I found? If so, please give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you enjoyed today's format, I would love to know, and that way I can create more videos in this style. I want to be more open with you guys this year. I want to let you more into my world. So if this is something that you enjoy today, please let me know. Again, while we were out thrifting, we did not find our inspiration pieces. I have put up several videos lately of home decor inspiration, and that is to help myself because I want to give my home a particular warm and cozy vibe for the coming new year, but I want to thrift the pieces. I don't want to spend a lot of money. That's the purpose of my channel, decorating your home with style on a budget for a lot less money. So those videos show you the inspiration pieces that I will be on the hunt for this year. Now, today was a bust, but who knows what we might find next time. So if you have enjoyed today's video and you want to come along with me on my other thrifting adventures, shopping for my Pinterest inspired items at the thrift store, please let me know. I would love to create more videos like this, but if you don't like the format, then, I don't want to put a lot of effort into it if you're not liking the format. So please let me know. I love taking you along with me today. I hope you enjoy the journey. So leave me a comment down below and let me know if you like today's style video. So I will have a lot more thrifting adventures coming up. If that is something you are into as well, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family, and we can go thrifting together to decorate our home for 2021. Gosh, can you believe it? It's 2021 already. Happy New Year, guys! So this year, we are going to make it a great year. We are not going to let COVID slow us down. It's still going to be here for a while. We have to learn how to live with it, how to deal with it. So we are not going to let COVID hold us back any longer. We're going to go out safely, of course, and we're going to do our thrift shopping. And hopefully we can find our Pinterest inspired home decor inspiration pieces. And I hope you want to come along with me for the journey. So that's all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one.